Hey guys, so for today's video, I am sharing some beauty and lifestyle hacks that'll really help you save money. So let's get started. The first thing is something that I do all the time. So a lot of the times I'm buying clothing, and whether it's a bodysuit or a pair of jeans, it just doesn't fit me right. It's not the right length. And in this specific case, this bodysuit that I purchased was actually a really awkward length. It was a bit too short for me. So I decided, hey, instead of wasting it, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and turn it into a top. So this is something that I do very often. I also do this to my jeans. So instead of paying money to get somebody to hem my jeans or alter my jeans, I just go ahead and cut it. And honestly, the raw cut is really in style and in trend nowadays too. So this next one is something that I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already do, but just in case you don't or you kind of forgot about it, if you're ever out of toothpaste or moisturizer, any product pretty much, go ahead and cut it open. If you're squeezing it and nothing's coming out, cut it open and I guarantee there's a lot of product left in there. This is going to save you a lot of money. That way you won't have to throw out the product and you're not wasting product. So this next one, you guys, is something I've been doing for the past few months. So pretty much what I've been doing is getting this super natural nail color, which I get asked a lot which one it is. This is the OPI Love is in the Bear. I love this color because this color looks like my real natural nails, so people can't really tell when my nails are grown out. So what this helps me do is it actually helps me get my nails done every 3 to 4 weeks instead of every 2 weeks. So I calculated, and pretty much it's 50 Canadian dollars for me to get my nails done. So if I go twice a month, I'm spending $100 a month. I'm spending $1,200 a year. If I cut that down by 3 to 4 weeks, I am only spending $600 a year instead. So I'm saving $600 a year. So pretty much the message here in this hack is save money and don't get your nails done as often. Use a super natural nail color. Clean your nails with rubbing alcohol, makes them shiny again. Cut your cuticles, shape them again, and your nails will look more put together. Of course, they are still grown out a little bit, but people can't really tell just because the color is so natural. And I love putting some coconut oil on the cuticles and around the hand. I also really love this cuticle oil that you guys will see in the next clip from Essie. This really helps keep my cuticles really moisturized. So yeah, honestly, this is a tip I've been using for the past few months. It's a lifesaver. I've been able to save a lot more money by just getting my nails done a bit less often and doing little mini manicures at home and using a natural polish. I did get my nails done right after filming this video because as you can see here, they are pretty outgrown. This is about 4 weeks. Usually I like to stick more to 3.5. So this next hack is something that my mom has always done ever since I was a kid, and I kind of carried it on. So pretty much what I do is I keep shopping bags from whenever I go shopping. I store them and I keep them and I reuse them for garbage. So I use them to empty out garbage in the bathroom or wherever I need. And it just helps to reuse and recycle them so that you're not wasting money buying garbage bags from the store. You can just reuse your old shopping bags. So this next tip is something that is awesome, honestly, to add into your schedule and just to keep into the habit of doing. So whenever there's sales at the store, what I love to do is buy all the things that I know that I need. Things that I know that I use all the time, so I keep backups of. What I do is I keep this little box and I keep these backups of these products that I know that I use. And that way, when I end up really needing something, I don't have to run and rush to the store and pay full price. I'll already have it stored in my backup box and I got it on sale. So this next hack is how to clean your beauty blenders and your brushes for only $1, you guys. I've done a video previously on this, but that was like years ago. So I really wanted to remind you guys how much I love this Zote soap. This is actually laundry soap, but it works really, really, really well to clean your brushes and your sponges. I'm telling you guys, this soap is magic. Like, it literally cleans your brushes and your sponges in very little time. It gets every little stain, every piece of foundation and makeup right out of there. The best thing that I love about this soap is that it's literally under $1 in the US. I think it's like 80 cents or something like that. If you go to Home Depot or Walmart, if you live in the US, you'll be able to easily find it. In Canada, we don't have this soap, which sucks. So we do have to pay a couple more bucks to go on Amazon and purchase it, but it's still a lot more affordable than other brush cleansers. So I still really love it, even if you're in Canada and you're gonna have to pay a couple more bucks. So as you can see, it's all shiny, bright, and new and clean. Thank you guys so much for watching this hacks video. I really hope you enjoyed. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.